Are microchips just digital crisps?
I wish to understand the meaning of taste.
Welcome to Prompt Gods, a 12-part series taking a look at the AI art world and the prolific illustrators that have unintentionally become some of the most used prompt words within the AI art community. Lois Van Burl, better known as Loish, was the first in her family to develop a creative interest. She felt encouraged to develop her illustrative skills as she always received positive feedback from her peers. She would draw from real life or photographs, translating them into 2D pieces until she eventually felt comfortable just using her imagination. It's safe to say she was obsessed with the craft, but was fearful of her prospects as she'd come to believe in the starving artist stereotype. But at the age of 18, she decided that she didn't care. Being an artist was such a crucial part of her identity, she was prepared to do anything to make it work. She began studying animation and started developing digital illustration skills as well. People have often said that her style is inspired by mangas, but she wasn't actually a fan of anime growing up. More the illustrators on DeviantArt who she aspired to be like. Most of her early inspirations actually came from Disney. After her education, she was surprised she had no issue finding work. She'd been so successful online that her portfolio was already showing massive signs of strength. She was such a hard worker that she once developed tennis elbow from drawing too much. I wonder what the equivalent of tennis elbow is for an AI. Speaking of which, let's see how it interprets her style. Loish is a real talent with several illustrative books, which are a must-have for anyone looking to understand her process. There's a real sense of craft to her work. As with all the artists in this series, the value of such items will no doubt skyrocket as her popularity increases even further. AI art makes visuals insanely quickly, but the reality is, without all the artists that came before it, it wouldn't be able to produce anything nearly as good. Artists working just before this period in time will likely go down in history as the people who opened up the creative world to the entire human race, not just one small community. You can find links to Loish's work below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of Prompt Gods.